Hey guys, welcome to the HK Works channel. Today we're going to be going through how to do Yft liveries. First of all, I'm going to go over the list of things we're going to need. We're going to need an editing program, we're going to need Codewalker, and obviously some kind of a card to actually take liveries, and also in the description below, I have placed a template of a Yft file and also the DDS format for Photoshop. If you haven't got Photoshop, that's fine. You can do it with any other program. Just have to make sure it exports as a DDS after you've created the livery. All of the links to all of the programs and everything you're going to need to create the livery and put it into GTA are going to be down below. So, first of all, when we open in any kind of program, we want to make sure that this is a layer that you can edit on. So index is not going to cut it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new project. And then what we're gonna make sure is formatting is key, okay? So as you can see up here, you can see all the livery names. So what we're gonna do is, because I've already done it, but basically it's the spawn name underscore livery and then obviously what number. So we're gonna copy paste that, and then we're gonna go for number 3, because obviously 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna say that, and then I'm gonna do a quick little test livery for YouTube. Let's put it in a fancy font, in red for YouTube. I know it's cheesy as hell, but why not? Yes, and yes, I'm doing it the most awkward way ever, but it is what it is. So as you can see, this is our test livery. I can't even spell YouTube, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? We do 180, then we just do it the other side. Yes, it's going to be backwards, but it is what it is. Anyways, then prior to exporting our livery, what we're going to do is we're going to hide or get rid of the template underneath. Then we are going to make sure any channels of alpha 1 is removed. Then with our handy dandy export, we have the D3D. This file is going to be what you're going to want to need for exporting for the highest quality. So we're going to export as that, and it's going to be livery 3. That's fine. Then we're going to do these settings: DXT5, ARGB 8, and then we're going to make sure generate bitmaps is on, and then we press save, and then we're all good to go. Then we're going to exit out of here. Then we don't need to save it for now. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use our lovely template. Because we now have the name, we could rename this. So we already have the livery bit, so that's fine. So it's going to be GST Power 1. And then we have to make sure that this is removed to be transferred into Codewalker, of course. So once you have Codewalker open, make sure you have some kind of a folder where you just drag and drop stuff into. It's the easiest way. If you already have, that's perfect. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the XML, and we're going to make sure this name here is going to be changed also to the same show the same thing as well. Para1 underscore livery 1. Let me save all of it, and then that's saved there. Let me just save it just in case. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the livery. I'm just gonna cut to it. If you're like me, pretty dyslexic, make sure you rename every file exactly the same, because sometimes it'll tell you to go away, and that is that's the bane of my existence when it comes to this. But yeah, we're gonna drag and drop this into Codewalker, and as you can see, it's created us a YFT that we can use. So I want to cut to the files. So after we've dropped it in Codewalker, now we need to put it into the vehicle files, of course. So I already have one in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out because I kind of like that livery, to be fair, and replace it with this one. Now, I know I've already done this, but I'm going to show you guys anyways. So as you can see, it has the livery section. If your car doesn't have this, all you need to do is I'm going to place this in the description, and then you guys can copy that and save it somewhere for later, just in case your car doesn't have this. But in the carcos, you're gonna wanna copy and paste the one that I've edited, or you already have in a carcos. You can duplicate it or add the one you got, and then you're just gonna paste it in, and then as you can see, I've already pre-done it. So you're going to make sure the model name is exactly the same as what it is in Codewalker / the actual YFT, and then the shop label is going to be what is going to say in game in a customization shop, blah blah blah. So you can literally name anything. So I'm gonna rename this for now for YouTube, YouTube, and then we save that, and then we hop in game and go have a look at the livery. Okay, so now we're in game. All we need to do is check if we've done it all correct. So I've just got a simple menu here, so it'll be in the livery section rather than the stickers menu in some it'll be in the livery section rather than the stickers menu, or vice versa in some mechanic scripts on RP servers, and also in normal V menu it should be just liveries, same as the menu I'm using right now, which is menu. But yeah, and obviously we go down to the last option, and there we go. There is our YFT livery on the car. If you've got any opinions, questions, suggestions on what I should do next, or there's something I have completely missed out on this tutorial, please let me know. I am all ears. I need to know. And yeah, let me know how I've done in the comments, and yeah, see you on the next one, I guess. Cheers.